It began with protests over taxes and ended with the birth of a new nation. The American Revolution wasn't just about battles, it was about ideas, freedom, independence, and self-rule. Let's break it down simply. 1. Causes of the Revolution. In the 1700s, the 13 American colonies were ruled by Britain. After expensive wars in Europe, Britain started taxing the colonies heavily, like the Stamp Act and Tea Act. The colonists argued, no taxation without representation. They had no voice in Britain's parliament, and they wanted a say in how they were governed. Protests erupted, the Boston Tea Party in 1773 being one of the most famous. 2. The war begins. In 1775, fighting broke out at Lexington and Concord. These were the first battles of the Revolution. Soon after, George Washington was chosen to lead the Continental Army. The war was tough. The colonies faced the world's most powerful military with limited supplies and training. 3. Key events of the war. Declaration of Independence, 1776. Written mainly by Thomas Jefferson, it announced the colonies were breaking away from Britain and declared that all men are created equal. Turning point. The American victory at Saratoga in 1777 convinced France to join the war on the American side, providing crucial support. Final victory. In 1781, British General Cornwallis surrendered at Yorktown. 4. A new nation is born. In 1783, the Treaty of Paris officially ended the war. The United States of America was recognized as an independent nation. But independence brought new challenges, creating a government, writing the Constitution, and living up to the ideals of liberty and equality. 5. Legacy of the Revolution. The American Revolution inspired people worldwide. Ideas about democracy and freedom spread to other countries, including France and Latin America. It showed that ordinary people could fight for and win the right to govern themselves. The American Revolution began with protests over unfair taxes, turned into a full-scale war for independence, and ended with the creation of a new nation built on freedom and self-rule. If you lived in the 1770s, would you have sided with the Patriots or stayed loyal to Britain? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more history explained clearly.